In this video, I'm going to cover how AI agents generated a 27x ROI for a accounting marketing agency in 2025. So this agency was managing paid ads and also inbound calls for over 75 accounting firms across the US. They were paying about 5,000 USD per month for a 24/7 call center, and they were only able to book in 44% of qualified leads, which is horrible. The problem wasn't traffic, it was a problem with the conversion infrastructure. And even with a 24/7 call center, they had missed calls. Also, the main bottleneck was inconsistent follow ups and also inconsistent qualification. So, we rebuilt their entire inbound and outbound call flows with AI voice agents. And basically, what happened next completely changed their business model. If you are new here, my name is Mark, and we've worked with small businesses all the way up to eight-figure companies to help them implement AI the right way and see crazy results across the board. With that being said, let's dive into the live demo.
Hello, this is Rose from Lupix Accounting. How can I help you today?
Hey, I would like to schedule an appointment with Mark.
That's something we can definitely help you with. I'm the receptionist, but what I can do is schedule you in for a free phone consultation with one of our accounting experts. Mark is actually the owner and one of our CPAs. Would you like to schedule that in?
Yeah, I would love to.
Great! Before I book you in, I just need to ask you a couple of quick questions to help prepare for the call. Can I jump into them now?
Sure, go ahead.
Thanks. First, can you please tell me your first name and spell it out for me?
Yes, my name is Mark, Marc.
Thanks, Mark. Can you confirm what you need assistance with?
Yes, so in about 2 weeks, I have to submit my income tax, and my spreadsheets are currently pretty messy, so I need help urgently.
Got it. Thanks for sharing that. Do you own a business, Mark?
Yes, I do.
Thanks for confirming. What industry is your business in?
My business is in artificial intelligence.
Thanks for letting me know. What time zone are you in, Mark?
Eastern.
Perfect, thanks. What date would you prefer for your appointment? Just let me know one specific day that works best for you.
Do you have availability for tomorrow?
Yes, we do have availability tomorrow. What time would you prefer? 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. Eastern Time?
Let's go for 2 p.m.
All right, so you'd like to book your appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Just a sec.
Okay, take your time.
Your appointment is set for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Please make sure to answer our phone call because I'm going to block off 30 minutes in the calendar of our accountant. Thanks and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Bye bye. Okay, and as you could see, it booked in at 2 p.m. So that's great. So hearing a demo is great, but what are the actual results? So we have two dashboards. One is for the outbound and the other is for the inbound. The demo that you just heard is for the inbound agent. So we'll start with that. And this is data basically from 1 year ago, basically the whole year of 2025. So here you can see some metrics. We in total we had 130,000 calls over that year, and the average duration is 2 minutes, which also dictates the AI cost because AI costs around 11 cents a minute. I believe a human cost or a human receptionist costs around 30 to 60 or 30 to 50 cents a minute. So in total, we had 500,000 minutes, which equals around 56,000 US dollars for the AI cost. And out of these 136,000 calls, we had about 54,000 in qualified leads. So 40% are qualified. And you can only imagine if an accountant were to do his own qualification, how many unqualified leads he would be speaking to every single day. Having AI do this is just an amazing use case. So out of those 54,000 qualified leads, we were able to book in over 40,000 appointments. And I believe this accounting agency or marketing agency charges around $50 per appointments. So you can already see how much that generates. That's 2 million for the entirety of 2025. So the total booking rate is 30%, and the booking rate of qualified leads is 74%. Okay, and now let's go to the outbound dashboard. And here you can see some different metrics just because we are doing outbound, right? And you can also see that we do less calls with outbound. Typically, outbound calls, we have way more calls, usually 5 to 10x more. But this agency mainly does Google ads and not Facebook ads. So that's why it is less. And in total, we had a 34% pickup rate, which is okay. I expected a little more, but it's fine. And for the average call time, it's 1 minute and 30 seconds, and the total minutes is 225,000, which equals more than $24,000 in the AI cost. Out of that, we were able to book in over 20,000 appointments. And here you can also see a booking rate that's less than the inbound dashboard metric, just because with Google Ads and the inbound dashboard, we are speaking to every single lead. And with this, we are not speaking to every single lead. We're only speaking to 34%. And again, booking rates of qualified leads is 74%, which I think is the same. Yeah, it's exactly the same as with the inbound. So that's amazing. And in total, we generated with inbound and outbound combined 3 million for this agency. And they went from 1 million to 3 million in 1 year. So amazing use case. If you are a marketing agency and you are struggling with handling all those calls, doing proper follow ups, AI voice agents are just amazing. Sorry to interrupt the video, but if you'd like to learn how this may apply for your company, scroll down, first link in the description. You can just schedule a call there. But now let's get into the next section of the video. So usually I explain what the agent does, what the capabilities are, etc., etc. I think you could already hear what it was. In this case, it was a qualification agent and a booking agent, but you have many use cases for voice AI. But what I want to show you here is the process that we usually undergo with a company to actually discover what to implement for that company. And we do this usually with a audit. So we look at the process and systems of the company we work with, the bottlenecks, where the time is spent, the problems, etc., etc. We do this through interviews with the team. So me or someone from my team would do those interviews and then look at, okay, in these workflows, with these bottlenecks, these problems, what AI or automation can we implement to reduce or completely eliminate that bottleneck? And we always look at internal versus external type use cases or opportunities. So external meaning sales, marketing, everything facing the customer. Internal, inside of the business, we look at administration, accounting, etc., etc. So the AI expert will uh, look at all these problems, see which software stack should we use, is it feasible, dream versus threat, which I will explain in a second, what is legal and what the hell is even possible. So phase two is the opportunity matrix. Here we rank everything based on difficulty and impact. Difficulty we just know because we have a lot of experience. Impact we know based on calculations, based on bottlenecks. So a lot of use cases, an employee that we speak to may want an automation or an AI for a specific portion of their work. The question you have to ask yourself is not what should we build, but should we build it, right? So someone may want a specific use case for their role, but it is a low impact use case, so it is not worth implementing. So we only implement everything that's high impact. And so in phase three, we look at all use cases. We look at if it's possible, right? How many hours are we saving? What's the AI cost? What's the AI development cost? And out of that, we see the ROI. We cannot always calculate the ROI if it's data driven or if it's brand related, right? So that was it for this video. I hope you found it insightful, and also I hope you learned something new from this. If you did, leave a comment down below as to what you've learned. And if you want to implement something like this in your own company, or you want to know what kind of AI use cases can I implement for my own company, first link down below. But otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.